management of change on the procedures is as important as management of the documents itself. Great point, David. Tell us about that and expand on that a little bit, David, because I think it's really key to make sure that we plant that seed and nurture that idea in all of our organizations.
Well, management of change, it looks different in different organizations and the way they handle that. It could be as simple as, hey, we've got this change. Let's have a quick meeting, document the meeting, and make the change to the policy. Mm-hmm. Some organizations have a management of change procedure, if you will, where the change is identified, the need for change is identified, and it goes through a series of authorization. And then that also includes communication, the communication stage, mm-hmm. and then completing that circle to the policy update. Mm-hmm. The biggest issue I've seen with management of change programs is they just take too long. Yeah. And sometimes they get caught up at a certain stage and they just can't or won't move forward. We're waiting for this guy to sign off on it before we can go to this next guy. And it's not happening fast enough. So the management changes is very important. Keep it simple and keep it moving. If it's a change that needs to happen, keep it moving, get that policy updated, communicate it to the operations, and let's start implementing the change.